Hello everyone, you are welcome to my official YouTube channel BHUWAN Service Center. Today I am going to talk about basic structure of English literature and English language. English subject basic things. What is the basic? And for this lecture, beginner and medieval candidates and advanced level anyone candidates for important things this video lecture. Okay, anyone competitive examination related topic and anyone candidates life of use English language, use of like parts of speech, voice and narration and any other things. So English subject basic things is start of English subject letter and one letter add another one letter, then two letter include, then create one word. Okay, understand anyone candidates, any one letter, two letter include one place, then create a word, and any one word, two words, three words, one sentences create. Okay, basics number one letter, then any one letters, one letter, two letter include, then create a word, then any one words, one words, two words, three words, like fifth and sixth word, any one sentences, create a sentence, any one sentences include of any one word. Okay, understand any one candidates, then sentences for use of human lives, speaking and any other sector use any one sentences for English language. Okay, today I will be discuss this topic for anyone competitive examination related this topic question, ask you any question related on competitive examination and human lives used for this English language. So anyone exam like Jharkhand institution JSSC provide a syllabus according to TGT exam. This exam is a teacher examination for level class 9th and 10th for requirement as a teacher by JSSC and any other examination for very important this lecture. Basic things is this question, answer me my comment box. What is the word? Yes. And the next point is today discuss for a topic parts of speech. What is the types of parts of speech? There are 8 types of parts of speech. Okay, like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjunction. Okay, any one topic definition understand, then attempt any question relate on noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition. Preposition, this topic is very important topic relate on competitive examination and any other classes for very usual this topic. and spoken for this topic, very important topic, spoken and competitive examination. So anyone aspirant focus this topic, discuss for a topic noun. Noun is a topic meaning in Hindi sangya, and noun, this word, anyone in the world, anything, place, human, and anyone name, etc. There are include, and one word is noun. The types of noun, there are 5 types of noun, like proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Okay, first number, proper noun. Proper noun is sense. Proper noun is say, proper noun, anyone, human, and this word you say proper, any one word and human, etc. Proper. If you understand, if this word proper, then second word is noun. Okay, understand this point, proper noun. The next point is common noun. Common, anyone candidates meaning in Hindi, proper noun and common noun, put in my comments box right here. Common, commonly, this word is meaning in Hindi common, samanya. Okay, and this word common for jati. Okay, common noun meaning in Hindi jatiwachak. Okay, anyone sentences you sense for common noun, anyone sentences say you, anyone common noun related things like anyone things without name, only for speak common noun. Okay, without name, anyone things without name, call you direct common noun. Okay, like cow, this word only for cow, not a sense red cow, black cow, and blue cow. Okay, cow, this meaning is, anyone understand, only for cow, this word is common noun. Okay, and black cow, like this word proper noun. Okay, understand proper noun and common noun, difference between proper noun and common noun. Next is collective noun. This word meaning in collective, मीनिंग फॉर कलेक्ट, इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि इकट्ठा करना, यानी कि किसी भी क्षेत्र से हो एक जगह पर समाहित करना ही कलेक्ट कहलाता है इंग्लिश में, कलेक्ट. दिस वर्ड इज मीनिंग इन कलेक्टेड. ठीक है, कलेक्टिव नाउन, मीनिंग इन हिंदी समूहवाचक, कलेक्टिव नाउन. Okay, like any one word for see you, any one word for the collective noun, and any one word for counting. Okay, counting is possible, any one word then you will click here answer common, not a common, only for collective noun. The next one is materials noun. Material meaning in Hindi samagri. This plus not meaning in samagri. Okay. Material noun is meaning in Hindi द्रव्यवाचक. Okay. Any on sentences you say material noun like milk, rice, water. These things is material. Next is abstract. Abstract noun is not for a human, only for feelings. Anyone words in the world for feelings. Then click here abstract noun like love and any on words and feelings, any human, but a touch, anything, only feelings, any on word. Then click here abstract noun. Abstract noun is say only feelings, not a touch. Okay. Anyone candidates understand this point? The types of noun, only 5 types of noun in the world. Okay. Anyone understand this topic related question? See you any competitive examination for teaching exam and any other exams. Okay. Next lecture create for English related any other topic and relate on the teacher examination conducted by JSSC. Okay, like TGT teacher and PGT. Okay, any on topics day by day I will be provide one videos each day. Okay, thank you.